Hello, my name is Varun Kuriakos, Product Manager for Comprex Technology. Joining me is Vincent Haman, Managing Director for Comprex Engineering, and Arunas Waldness, Managing Director of company Hedora. We are joined here because we have the technology CU 3300. This is a unit to clean drinking water pipelines. So I'll let you, Vincent, could you tell us what are the advantages of using this technology to clean drinking water pipelines?
Yeah, sure. So by using Comprex, you get a way faster cleaning, way more environmentally friendly cleaning due to energy savings and resource saving. Usually, if you're talking about water rinses, you use 10 times as much water as you need with Comprex. So you not only get a faster cleaning, but a basically more sustainable one in the end.
All right. Thank you, Vincent. So, Arunas, what do you think about, so you are our partner representing this technology in the Baltic region. So what do you think about the scope of this technology in future for this region?
Well, since the equipment is applicable for every single material of pipe, it also could be used for older pipes without bursting them into high pressure. So it's a very safe way to clean up the older pipes and also for drinking water. So definitely we have a lot of older pipes that have probably never been cleaned, and definitely that's the major focus. And of course preventative maintenance in the future for the new pipes.
All right, thank you very much. So the next question is, what other regions, areas can we use this technology apart from the drinking water pipelines?
Yeah, just generally speaking, every piping system that's under pressure and where you pump some fluids through. But in specific, so this trailer now gets sold for cleaning municipal water lines, drinking water supply systems, but we also clean cooling circuits in various industries, from metalworking industry up to pharmaceutical industries, and that's basically one of our newest products, integrated systems that clean on a daily basis in product lines. If it's shampoo, conditioner, cleaning detergents, you name it.
All right, thank you. So this is a great big project for us. It's a project of prestige for us. We are selling 2 of these cleaning equipments to Riga Waterwork. They've already bought one of this equipment in 2016. So Arunas is here. We are our partner who is taking care of this project. So Arunas, could you tell us more about what is the next steps in delivering these units to Riga Waterwork?
Next steps, basically the water network company will hire new employees next year. So then we will carry out the training. We will carry out the necessary modifications for the existing trailer to combine it together with all three to achieve sufficient enough washing of DN 1000 pipelines.
All right, thank you, Arunas. So with this, we did the inspection of the trailer today. So it ticked all marks all points when it comes to the technical testing. So we're looking forward to bringing these trailers to Riga, Latvia. We are excited about offering this technology there. So thank you for your interest. Have a nice day.